Just a week to go before Budget 2022, the Irish tourism industry has 5 key asks. Here they are.
1, and first among equals, is the need to restore connectivity. As an island nation, aviation is everything to Irish tourism, and an incentive package must be put in place to restore connectivity. 2, the employment wage subsidy scheme, so critical to the Irish tourism industry, needs to be extended right through to June 2022 for vulnerable but viable businesses. 3, there needs to be a step change in tourism investment, ensuring that there's adequate business continuity funding and an increase in overseas marketing budgets. 4, the VAT rate at 9% needs to be retained right through to 2025. This puts Ireland on a competitive footing with the rest of Europe and is a key recovery tool. 5, employers and businesses will need support in recruiting and retaining staff in this very labour-intensive industry.
Ireland's tourism industry will get through this crisis and go from survival through to stability and on to recovery. But recovery can only be enabled by pro-tourism and pro-aviation government policies, and that needs to start on October 12th, Budget Day.